just up the road in Ayrshire to Dunaskin Silver Band. Now, one of the peculiarities of our arena here is that it's a very, very long street, so by the time the artists get onto the street, they've not heard your applause. Make lots and lots of noise and welcome them with Sladeburn, Dunaskin Silver Band. Wonderful stuff from the Dunaskin Silver Band, led by conductor Rob Sedgwick. And the band, as well as doing a mixture of sort of traditional brass band and silver band music, also play lots and lots of more modern treats as well. And they're going to get things kicked off this evening with a little bit of a 1970s one, I think this was. Hooked on a Feeling. Here we go. Give them a big round of applause. Feeling. And the band continuing on now with a modern Scottish classic, really. This one I sometimes think should be our national anthem. From the Proclaimers, 500 Miles. Lovely stuff. 500 Miles in Dunaskin now with our final track for the moment, Holiday Road. Lovely stuff from Dunaskin. And as I said, before the band joined us on the street, they've been wonderful servants this summer, coming all the way down from Ayrshire to join us here in Kirkcudbright for all the Scottish nights, and they've done a wonderful, wonderful job. What a great addition to the programme they have been, and we're delighted to have them again this evening to the Tattoo. So thank you very much. Dunaskin Silver Band, they will be back later as part of our finale, but right now they're marching off once again with Sladeburn. Please have them leave the street with the noise of applause ringing in their ears. Thank you. There we go, our thanks to Dunaskin, who've been great servants this season here in Kirkcudbright.